Hi guys, and welcome back. And if you're a first-time visitor, I'm Phil, and this is Phil's Drone Zone. In today's video, we're going to be looking at something a little bit different, a little bit off-piste, and something though I think that's very, very important for all of us YouTube creators out there. How safe are the videos that you upload to YouTube? And if they are at risk from being stolen, what can you do to protect them? So let's go to the video. This is something that I became aware of a little while back, the misuse of people's hard work and the theft of little pieces of the videos that they upload to YouTube. And so we're going to examine that today. I am a great big fan of the paranormal, and in one person in particular, his name is Billy Cook. He runs the PSPR Paranormal group and has a channel here on YouTube. This channel right here, and I'm going to give him a shameless plug right here at the moment. If you are interested in the paranormal, then this guy is the business, and you really should be popping along to have a look at his channel. Okay, that's out of the way. Okay, so as an avid fan of his, I make a point of always attending his live feeds. And I turned up late one day, and they were already talking about something which absolutely shocked me. What they were talking about is the theft of one of his videos, a complete video. And he only found this because he had uploaded it a week previously, and he typed in to the search engine just to have a look where he was figuring in the search rankings. And as he scrolled down, he saw a thumbnail and title exactly the same as the video that he had uploaded, only the channel was different. So he clicked on it, and lo and behold, it was exactly the same video that he had uploaded himself the previous week. Even the voice was his. So needless to say, he reported it to YouTube, and YouTube promptly took the video down. We don't know what happened to the guy who had stolen it and uploaded it, but at least the video has been taken down. Now, I got a little bit concerned because I've been uploading drone clips for a long time, and so I decided to do some research into how big a problem this is, and the results that I found were quite alarming. Take a look at this short little video that I made just a couple of minutes this morning. It's not about quality, it's not about anything else. Just take a look at the little video I put together. Okay, I know it's not very good and the quality is really shocking, but that's not the point. What is the point is that there are 11 clips in that video, and I actually don't own any of them, and I didn't create any of them. I didn't steal them either from you guys. What I actually did is I went to a website called Pexels.com, where they provide unlimited amount of free video and pictures that you can download, and I've gone through the process of accrediting the authors in the description and given the accreditation to the site as well. And I want to thank all of those authors for making those available, and it's made it possible for me to make this video without stealing anybody's work. So hopefully by giving them the correct accreditation, that will save me now from having a copyright strike. Okay, let's imagine that I'm a creator creator of sorts, and I want to make a video about Hanoi in Vietnam. How easy would it be for me to, say, make a vlog of Hanoi, Vietnam, without even having to go there, without even having to leave the comfort of my bedroom? Well, let's just pop online and let's take a look. Okay, so if I just type in drone footage Hanoi into YouTube, it'll bring me up to many videos which have been uploaded. You can see none of them are branded. None of them, and all of them, could be used illegally to make a video. Also, I can find numerous videos if I just type in streets of Hanoi. There are many people's vlogs, which I could also quite happily download and use in my own project. And there are clips of food that you can find in Hanoi. There's pretty much everything that you could wish for. And there's also Google. If you just type it into Google, it will take you to many. Here's somebody's vlog about Hanoi, and you could easily just click the links and download these videos and use the clips from these videos. But let's dig a little deeper. I typed in Monado video DJI Spark, and let's have a look at the images. And we can see, great, YouTube video of my own stuff, advertising my stuff. That's what I want Google to do. And that's really nice. But if we continue going down, whoops, there's a picture that I uploaded to Instagram. Now, there are various websites for Instagram also. And there's another one. These pictures could be used by anybody. And then if we scroll down a little bit more, this one that we're going to come up to now is a very interesting one. So who are they? Well, let's click on this and let's just have a look, and there's my video. So let's go to visit their site. And it takes me to this website by Axir Drone Video Fill Drone Zone. And it's a site where my videos can be downloaded for free. And you can see there are several of my videos available to the public to download. So how would you know that your video clips are not featuring in other in somebody else's video that's been uploaded? How do you know that they're not taking views from you, and that also, even worse, that they're not making money out of the hard work that you put into uploading your videos on YouTube? Well, the bottom line is you don't know. Unless you watch every single video that's uploaded to YouTube, and that would be quite a difficult thing to do, you're not going to know. YouTube has a program called Content ID, which identifies videos which are duplicated, but it's very unlikely that the likes of me or you are going to be approved to join that program. I believe that YouTube are creating a new tool called Copyright Match, which is going to be trialed by 100,000 people. So again, it's unlikely that I'm going to be one of those, or indeed you guys are going to be one of those from the millions of people who are using and uploading to YouTube at the moment. So, the problem, even if you are lucky enough to get on that program, the problem with it is that this tool will only identify whole videos. It will not identify and cannot identify individual clips from videos that have been downloaded, spliced, and used in a video by someone else. Remember guys, somebody may be making money, a monetized channel may be making money from the hard work that you are putting in to your videos, and this is not right. So, what can I do to protect my videos? Well, there are three things that you can do. If you recall that little video, that little end of the video I showed you about finding stuff online, how do my videos actually end up on a site like that which says that you can download them free? Well, that's my fault. And that's simply because in the settings, and I'll show you exactly where it is, and in fact, we'll take a look at it now. So just go to your site and then go to the video manager, which will bring up the list of your videos. And on all your videos, you need to click edit and then go to advanced settings. Now, if you scroll down there, what you will see is this allow embedding. Make sure that that is disabled, and that's how my videos ended up on that website, because I allowed them to embed my URL. Okay, so make sure that's done. And then secondly, also on the same page, make sure that the license is set to use YouTube's standard license and not Creative Commons license. Then just simply click Save Changes, and then you have done the job. If you leave it at Creative Commons license and you don't put in your description, you are free to use this video as long as you credit me, blah, 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 then you are pretty much saying to people, go ahead and use my video clips as much as you like. Please make sure that you have set each video that you upload to the YouTube standard license. And finally, the easiest and the best way to protect your videos from video clip theft is to brand them. And that means that before you upload your videos, you pop your video back into your video editor and you add a layer, whether that be your logo or a title layer with the name of your channel, and you burn that into the video itself. Now, people have told me during the course of my research that, yeah, but YouTube has a branding which appears in the little corner down here. I can tell you, if you download a video illegally, that does not go with the video. I know, because I illegally downloaded one of my own videos this morning, and hopefully I can't get a copyright strike for doing that. As I said to you, this worries me a great deal, and I have already found 3 of my images uploaded to websites in Indonesia. Now, I'm a very, very small fish in a very, very big pond, and I don't feel like I want to highlight that and get involved in counter-claims and all this sorts of nonsense with larger companies. I do know that my images are out there on other people's websites, though. I've also come across a great deal more of this type of post in Facebook groups, and also I've spoken to a few people who this has happened to, and I visited online blogs from people where they are in despair about this kind of video clip theft. The bottom line is that it is our responsibility as creators to protect our own work. Personally, I have been doing this in the last couple of videos that I uploaded, and here's an example. And as you can see, I've got the copyright, my logo in the corner. The feedback that I've got from people is that it doesn't cause a problem. It doesn't stop people enjoying the videos that I've been uploading. In fact, nobody has said, can you take that out, because I can't really enjoy the videos that much anymore. So I'm going to be leaving that in. Also, I have a lot of video, drone video uploaded from my travels, which people could easily download and use in their video projects, and I'm probably going to be taking those down. I know it's going to cost me views, but hey, I don't want people just stealing my video clips and using them in different projects, and maybe even making money out of them. I don't want to do the hard work for people to go and make their own projects with. So I'm probably going to take those down, but on the other hand, it's also a positive thing. It gives me a chance to re-edit them and make them a little bit better when I upload them again in the future. I just hope that my loyal subscribers out there, and I love you all, will continue to watch as I re-upload them, and you'll watch them again. Just so that I can get my views back up a little bit. Now, I'm not making this video to gain subscribers. That's not the point of it at all. It's just simply to raise awareness about an issue that is very, very real out there. And I want to quote someone that I read his blog, and I want to quote him, and if you're out there, I'm sorry that I'm using this without your permission, but I just want to quote what he said about his experience. He said, "Trust me, it sucks when you get a takedown notice for a video you made because some jerk somewhere claimed it as his own and monetized it." Now that's quite well, a despairing kind of statement for me, and I don't want that happening to me, so I'm going to take steps, the only steps that I can to protect my videos. So as I said, I'm not after subscriptions or whatever, but I'd like two things if possible. I think it's important that all YouTube creators get to see this and are made aware of this issue. So if possible, you could share this video on your social media platform so that people can be made aware that this is a real issue and they need to protect their video clips. And also, if you have suffered yourself in this way, please make a note in the comments so that maybe if there's enough people who respond to this, then maybe we can get YouTube to look at this as a real issue. Let's make things fair. It isn't fair that others can upload our videos, complete videos, or even video clips, and use those without any repercussions whatsoever. And if enough of you put comments in the comment section with your experience where this has happened to you, then maybe YouTube will have to stop and think again and start protecting us little guys who are out there doing all the work and making money for these bigger guys who are just stealing our work. Anyway, enough said. I hope that you found the video useful and that you will share it among your friends. In the future, I will go back to what I do, and I will see you all again for a short break 10. Okay, so for now, all that remains to be said is stay happy and keep flying.